Whenever you're ready.
Whenever you're ready.
I'm ready.
Who's this?
Go open the door.
Vinny, go open the door. It's Mom.
Who is it?
They call her Kelly.
That's weird, because Alex did the same thing
Do you
before.
like my boobs?
Yes.
I need a drink.
Split it. Give him a cup and split it. Get a water cup and split it.
There's your root beer.
This is. It looks like your room at home.
It
I
does.
tried organizing things. but-
Like 1,000
It's
people
just-
got dressed in here, that's why. The trillion people.
Most of it's ours anyway, so we'll grab it.
Mom, do you think you maybe bring back the cold ice and...
Vinny, just put a shirt on, like a
Just
normal
go with
human
me.
being, and go with her, and then come back. Leave the door slightly ajar. That means
Is
open.
this charged?
Not
Not
the
fully.
whole way.
Are you kidding me? Open that.
I'll bring it to you in the morning before we go hiking, because it'll be
That's a
charged.
good idea. I'm not going hiking.
No,
I
I was
go
trying to get. I wanted to. Artie and I wanted to see something that.
Oh yeah, Michael, at 9:30 we're meeting up in the thing, getting an apple and going.
You know what? I'll take this.
Getting
All right.
an apple? One of them?
See you later.
No, everybody's getting an apple,
Okay.
and Vicky
Have a
and
great
Bye,
night.
guys. See you later.
Enjoy
Wow.
it.
Good night.
Enjoy your night.
Yeah, I gotta go get some medicine. I can't find my shirt though. You didn't pack me shirts.
Oh, first time Mrs. Magnuson is getting free now.
Keep look.
Hey, Mrs. Magnuson! Kelly
You
and
guys have to make sure that you
Magnuson.
pack up everything part of the tuxedos.
Kelly and
That's what
Miss
I
Magnuson,
think
I
doing
don't
right
want to
now.
be buying any tuxedos. Thanks.
You're
Miss
welcome.
Magnuson.
Kelly and Magnuson.
Mrs. Magnuson, you didn't pack me shirt.
Kate Magnuson 68.
I didn't pack him a shirt.
No,
Give him a
just keep
t-shirt of yours. Give him a t-shirt.
That green one, take it, wear it.
There you go. That's yours. Take it and you wear it tomorrow too. It's Michael's. He just told you you can wear it.
Wait, give me it. That might be yours.
No, it's his. It's yours.
No, it is
Michael.
mine, you're right.
It's clean. I washed it. I packed it. Let's go. Come on. I'm so tired.
So go to bed and
I
enjoy
need
your night.
him. I need him. He wants medicine.
He
Let's
needs
go.
to. I couldn't sleep that night. He was so bad.
Yeah, give him some
He
medicine.
did really bad that night. He was always coughing.
Burt my name.
Not now.
Wait, Mom, listen to this.
Okay.
No, she knows it.
Take one of the cups out of there.
Oh, no,
Go, Vinny, quick. Just bring it back.
The baby's gonna
No,
I don't
change,
have a cup.
and we're gonna put everything.
Michael.
No, I mean just bring the medicine back.
Let's go.
Michael, if you want, I know
There's
the
cups in her
medicine.
bathroom.
Baby, you need to change.
Get
too,
ice.
right? Put everything on like a place you know where it is. All right.
Right, go. Burt my name.
Like the whole thing.
Yeah, I'm still videotaping. See, that's why I do that sometimes.
Computer.
That was the coolest thing that's ever happened.
Ew.
That was so awesome. I can stop videotaping now.